Installing AIMS. The Avatier Support Wiki contains the latest software build for installing the Avatier Identity Management Suite, or AIMS. To install AIMS, download the latest software build from the Avatier Support Wiki and copy the file to the server specifically configured to run AIMS. Begin the installation by double-clicking the executable and following the prompts. Select Accept the License Agreement and the correct destination folder is configured by default. Enter the username and password for your AIMS service account. Then make the following selections: the AIMS modules to install, identify the domain type, the domain, and finally begin the installation. Select Finish to complete the install. Now open a web browser, go to the AIMS URL address and begin configuring the software. For more on installing AIMS, visit the Avatier Support Wiki.